Drop oil into abdomen by moving in circular motion with both hands 3 to 5 times. Knead abdomen alternately with both hands 3 to 5 times. Combine both hands to knead the area around belly button by moving in small circles 16 times. Combine both hands to knead the area around belly button by moving in big circles 16 times. Use both hands to slide from the lowest ribs to the two sides of waist 3 to 5 times. Use both hands to slide from groin to waist side 3 to 5 times. Push from one side of waist to belly button with both hands alternately 3 to 5 times. Push from one side of waist to groin with both hands alternately 3 to 5 times. Do the same on the other side. Alternately push ascending colon upwards, transverse colon horizontally, and descending colon downwards with 2 palms 3 to 5 times. Wipe the area clean with towel and apply gel evenly. Stone vacuum and Cavi fat dissolving for waist and abdomen. The stone vacuum Cavi handpiece combines vacuum and cavitation to unblock meridians and clitoris and dissolve fat to shape body. Set parameters: time 15 to 20 minutes, suction time 0.3 to 1.5, release time 0 to 0.8. Suction time should be longer than release time. Anus level 3 to 7. Choose M1 mode. Suction adjusted based on individual endurance. Lift from one side of waist to belly button 3 to 5 times. Repeat the technique on the other side. Move the handpiece in small circles around belly button 16 times. Move the handpiece in big circles around belly button 16 times. Lift from one side of the waist to belly button 3 to 5 times. Repeat the technique on the other side. Move the handpiece up and down to shape waist 3 to 5 times. Repeat the technique on the other side. Use one hand and the handpiece to lift the belt vessel on the two sides 16 times. Repeat the technique on the other side. Wipe the area clean with towel and apply RF cream evenly. Stone vacuum RF waist and abdomen shaping treatment. Vacuum RF with a combination of vacuum suction and RF technology can dredge meridians and activate clitoris, expel damp and harmful waste, tighten skin and shape body, and relieve fatigue. Set parameters: time 15 to 20 minutes, suction time 0.3 to 1.5, release time 0 to 0.8. Suction time should be longer than release time. Energy level 3 to 7. Choose null mode. Suction adjusted based on individual endurance. Lift from one side of the waist to belly button 3 to 5 times. Repeat the technique on the other side. Move the handpiece in small circles around belly button 16 times. Move the handpiece in big circles around belly button 16 times. Lift from one side of the waist to belly button 3 to 5 times. Repeat the technique on the other side. Move the handpiece up and down to shape waist 3 to 5 times. Use one hand as the handpiece to lift the belt rest on the two sides 16 times. Wipe the area clean with towel.